Hey everybody, this is Chris Bystead at Guarantee RV here in Junction City, and I wanted to show you an amazing trailer. It's a 2018 Jayco Jay Flight SLX. It's the 285 RLSW. Notice it's got nice big tanks, a power tongue jack, and this is really set up for a great couples trailer. Come on in, let me show you around. So in this trailer you've got rear living, which is wonderful because the view of everything is always out the back, and you got this huge picture window that you can see the view, people playing out there, the river, the stream. It's all outside. Couple wonderful chairs here, the swivel rock. We've got a beautiful sofa here as well. This sofa is a jackknife, so it'll fold down, and it's actually long enough to sleep an adult here, which is very nice. Many of these sofas are a little shorter than this, so that's a real nice feature. Also notice that the material of all this furniture is Renew. So it's made from leather and fabric. It's twice as durable as fabric, and very good as far as staining and durability in pets and things like that. Wonderful dinette here as well. So you've got lots of big windows to look out in this model. Look at this big window where while you're eating you can look out of this window. Very nice. Wonderfully appointed kitchen. You've got a double sink, a beautiful faucet with sprayer, plenty of storage. You've got your 3-burner stove and oven, microwave and hood. Nice big Nor-Cold refrigerator, equally nice freezer, plenty of space for food and storage of food, canned goods, all of those things. Look at all this storage, how deep it is. You can get a lot of food in this trailer. Moving over here is your entertainment center. There's not a TV here, but there could be, and that's not a problem. But you've got everything here that you'd need for entertaining. You could even put a lot of your Blu-rays, CDs, DVDs, things like that down here. This is an appropriate location for that. All that storage for your entertainment, which is wonderful. Check out this bathroom. Really great bathroom. You've got a nice big shower, the skylight there in case you're really tall, your head won't touch the ceiling. You can still shampoo your hair. Nice medicine cabinet. What I really think is fantastic about this one is how much space you have to move around in the bedroom. So just like many of these, you will see that there is storage underneath the bed, but look at that, it goes all the way back to your pass-through. It's all on shock, so it's nice and easy, and you can put all kinds of things in there for storage. Very nice mattress. Of course, you've got both sides here, closets, and a shelf up on top with lights right here for reading. All your plug-ins, everything you need here. If you need to put a CPAP or any of your devices here on the nightstands, a lot of room. A TV can go up here as well. And you do have access outside with this second door, which is really great for safety and convenience. So anyway, let's take a look on a few things on the outside real quick. So imagine being able to go off-road, because this is lifted, it's got upgraded tires, it's got the Baja features on it, so this is really meant to where you could take it off-road and do some dry camping. Imagine this awning coming all the way out, all of your camping gear, your stove, your chairs, everything sitting out here with the family. What a wonderful trailer. I'd love to show you this in person. We've got several different floor plans of these as well, and feel free to give me a jingle. My name's Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878. We'd love to talk to you.